today महीनों और ऋतुओं के नाम. Okay, what is meant by the महीनों? महीनों means months. So names of the months. Okay, ऋतुओं seasons. ऋतु season. ऋतुओं seasons. Okay, now the names of the months and the seasons. Shall we see that? Okay, children, do you know months of the year? What are that? Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. How many months in a year? Children, how many months in a year? Yes, 12 months. Shall we write that? Okay, what are that? One by one, we have to say here January. Okay, the next term February, March, April, May, June. June month we know well because the school started with the June month, no? Okay, the 7th month. July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, already we know the names of the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, children. Now we want to see in the names of the months in Hindi. Shall we see that once again? January, the same January in Hindi also, right? February, February. What is that? February. March, March, same. March. April, April. January, February, March, April, May. May. What is that? May. June. Same June. July, July. Okay. August. September. October. November, same November. December. What is that? December. Right, children? Listen, some little pronunciation differently. Okay, January, February. Okay, what is that? February. March, same. April, May, June, same. July, August. September. October, October. November, the same November. December, December. Okay. January, you repeat children. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay. Very clear now? The names of the months. How many months in a year? 12 months. Okay. The names January, January. In Hindi, February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, September. Okay, clear children? The names of the months clear? Okay. Now the seasons. Shall we see the seasons? How many seasons we have children in India? In India we have 4 seasons. Okay. Shall we see that? What are that? Okay. We have 4 seasons. What is that? Winter season. Next, rainy season. The third one, Grishma, summer season. Last one, spring season. Okay, how many seasons we have? 4 seasons. Okay, what are that? Winter season, rainy season, summer season and spring season. Okay, what are that? Winter season, what is in Hindi? Sheet Ritu. Ritu means seasons. Ritu, season. Okay, the singular. So what is that? Winter season is Sheet Ritu. What is that? Sheet Ritu. Okay. Rainy season is the Varsha. Varsha means rainy. So rainy season, Varsha Ritu. Summer season, summer, Grishma. Grishma Ritu. The last one, spring season, Basant Ritu. Basant Ritu. Okay. Listen children. Winter season, Sheet Ritu. What is the name of in Hindi? The seasons? Winter season, Sheet Ritu. Rainy season, Varsha Ritu. Summer season, Grishma Ritu. And spring season, Basant Ritu. Clear children? Sheet Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Basant Ritu. Okay. What is that? Winter season. Repeat children. You also winter season. Sheet Ritu. Winter season. Sheet Ritu. Winter season. Sheet Ritu. Next, rainy season. Varsha Ritu. Rainy season. Varsha Ritu. Summer season, Grishma Ritu. Summer season, Grishma Ritu. Spring season, Basant Ritu. Spring season, Basant Ritu. Right, children? Are you clear? Once again, Sheet Ritu. What is that? Winter season. Varsha Ritu. Rainy season. Grishma Ritu. Summer season. Basant Ritu. Spring season. Okay. How many seasons in India? 4 seasons. What are that? Winter season, Sheet Ritu. Rainy season, Varsha Ritu. Summer season, Grishma Ritu. And spring season, Basant Ritu. Right, children? Clear now? So, months of the year and seasons. Once again, shall we say the months of the year? What is that? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, children? Okay, the seasons. Ritu, Sheet Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Basant Ritu. Okay, shall we see the about the seasons in book? Okay, children, take your book. Okay, children, take your book. The page number 93. Okay, listen. Our lesson is Mahinot और ऋतुओं के नाम, names of the months and seasons. Mahinot के नाम. What are that? Listen. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, children? Clear now? Already we see in the board. Same that. Okay. Now, the seasons. ऋतुओं के नाम, names of the season. What is this? Listen. Winter season. See the picture. What he is wearing? Sheet Ritu. In winter, we feel very cool. So, we wear woolen cloths like a sweater, scarf, muffler, like that. Okay. We have to keep our body warm. So only we have to wear this clothes, woolen clothes in winter season. What feel in the winter season? Very cool. Okay, right, children? Okay, Sheet Ritu, winter season. The next, what is this? Rainy season, Varsha Ritu. Varsha Ritu, you know well the rainy season, what is that? See, the girl is dancing in the rain with the umbrella. Okay, so we like a rainy season. So we use raincoat and umbrella for the rainy season. Okay. We all like a rainy season first. Yes, children, you also? Yes, I like a rainy season. What about you? Yes, all the one like a rainy season, right? See the girl very happily dancing in the rain. Okay. Okay, children. The next, summer season, Grishma Ritu. Children, we know the summer season because we got some summer holidays. Why we got the holidays in summer? Because they feel very hot and sweat. So only they live the holidays. Okay. So while the summer, we want to keep our body cool. How we keep our body cool? Yes, we take more water and we wear cotton cloths. Okay, because we have very sweat in the summer season, so only we wear the cotton cloths and ice creams, cool drinks. Also we take the summer season because we have to keep our body cool. Right, children? Summer season, Grishma Ritu. Right? The last one, Basant Ritu. What is that? Spring season. Okay. What is the spring season? See the girl. What she is doing? Yes. Basant, spring season. Children, for the spring season, the newly leaf and flowers are came. So that is called a spring season. See the new leaves, flowers, and then the butterflies also flying here. So this is called a spring season. Okay. Okay, children, listen once again. Sheet Ritu, winter season. Varsha Ritu, rainy season. Grishma Ritu, summer season. Basant Ritu, spring season. Okay, right. The next exercises. Listen, children. What is this? Tick and cross against the given sentences. Which one is the wrong? Which one is the right? Okay. See the month. March के पहले फरवरी आता है. Shall we see that? What is the meaning of this? Which is the before month of the March? March month munala endha month varum. Shall we see the calendar? Yes, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Where is the March? Yes, May. What is our question? March ke pahle. Pahle means before. Which month will come? April. April, no? April is the before month of the March. But they give February. This is wrong, no? So the answer is, this one is wrong. So we have to put the cross symbol. March के पहले फरवरी आता है. Okay. Okay. The next one. Clear, children? Next, जनवरी साल का पहला महीना होता है. January is the first month of the year. What is the meaning of this question? January is the first month of the year. Is it right? Yes. Is it absolutely right? See, what is the first month of the year? January. Okay. This is the correct answer, correct sentence. So you have to put the tick mark. Clear, children? Okay, the next. In which season do we use these things? Tick and correct one. Already you know, see the seasons. In winter season, we wear a sweater and scarf, muffler for Sheet Ritu. Varsha Ritu, we have to use the umbrella and raincoat.
And Grishma Ritu, we have to use the ice creams and cotton cloths. Okay. And this is one. Basant Ritu is only the newly leaves and flowers. So what is the question? What is this picture? Yes, umbrella. So Basant Ritu is right or Varsha Ritu is right? Yes, Varsha Ritu. In Varsha Ritu we have to use the umbrella. Okay, Basant na only the newly leaves and flowers. No, so this is the correct answer. You have to tick. Right? Okay. The next, Sheet Ritu and Grishma Ritu. What is this sweater? No, woolen cloth. Where we have to use this? Yes, Sheet Ritu. We have to use the woolen cloths. So this is the correct answer. You have to tick. Grishma, na, what is the meaning of this? Grishma is a summer season, right? Okay. The next, what is this? You know, already you like ice cream. So which season we have to use this? Grishma Ritu, summer season. So Grishma Ritu, Sheet Ritu. Sheet na winter and Grishma summer. So this is the correct answer. You have to take, right? Okay, children. Okay, the next question answer. साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? साल means year. So listen once again. We see this and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In Hindi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many साल? कितने साल? 12 साल. Okay, the answer is 12 महीने होते हैं. कितने महीने होते हैं? 12 महीने होते हैं. Clear, children? Once again, we recall this. महीनों के नाम. What is our lesson? महीनों और ऋतुओं के नाम. Names of the months and seasons. Right? Now, first one, महीनों के नाम. Names of the months. Shall we read this? January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Once again, children, just we have to recall. January in Hindi. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Clear, children? The months of the year? Okay. Now the seasons. ऋतुओं के नाम. Seasons. Okay, नाम, names. Okay. Sheet Ritu, winter season. Say, children, you have to follow me. Sheet Ritu, winter season. Sheet Ritu, winter season. Varsha Ritu, rainy season. Varsha Ritu, rainy season. Grishma Ritu, summer season. Grishma Ritu, summer season. Basant Ritu, spring season. Basant Ritu, spring season. Right, children? Clear? Sheet Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Basant Ritu. Right? Winter season, rainy season, summer season, spring season. How many seasons? 4 seasons. We have 4 seasons. Okay. Okay, children. Now we have to write the classwork. Take your classwork. Okay, children. Take your notebook. Shall we write the classwork? Yes. The first Roman letters you have to write the name of the lesson. Okay. Hindi and English. Right? Okay. And then you can start the first Roman letter. Names of the season. Say, what is the name of the seasons? The first one, Sheet Ritu. Sheet Ritu is winter season, right? Very good. Okay. The second one, Varsha Ritu. Varsha Ritu, rainy season. Okay. Grishma Ritu. What is that? Grishma Ritu. Summer season. The fourth one, Basant Ritu. Okay, Basant Ritu, spring season. Okay, right children, names of the season. Sheet Ritu, winter season. Varsha Ritu, rainy season. Grishma Ritu, summer season. Basant Ritu, spring season. Right? Okay, copy down. Okay, right children, the next one. Shall I write? Shall I write the names, name of the lesson? Okay. So, our next Roman letter, second Roman letter is match the following. Okay. Okay, right children. The second one, match the following. What we have to match is January. We have to match the names of the month with the English name. Okay. March. The third one, April. The fourth one, August. December.
December, August. Right children, shall we match that? Okay, January, where is that? Yes. Which one? March. This one? April. August. December. Right? Okay, children. April or April. Right? Both are correct. Okay. Match this one. You have to copy this one. Shall I up, children? Okay, our next Roman letter is answer the following. Shall we write? What is the first question? साल में what is meant by the saal? Year. Okay. साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? What is the meaning of this question, children? Listen. साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? महीने is months. साल year. So in a year, how many? कितने? How many months? Okay. How many months in a year? See the answer. साल में how many? 12, no? In Hindi, 12. Very good. 12. 12 is the answer. 12 महीने होते हैं. Right, children? This is the answer. Okay? In a year, 12 months in a year. Sorry, 12 months in a year. Okay? Shall we go to the next question? Yes. What is the next second question? मार्च के पहले means before. Okay, see, मार्च के पहले किस महीने आता है? मार्च के पहले किस महीने आता है? Which month before the March month? Which month will come before the March? Okay, what is the meaning? March மாசத்துக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன மாசம்? Which will come January, February, March. So February is the correct, no? So the answer is मार्च के पहले फरवरी आता है. किसका बदला? फरवरी आता है. That's all. Okay, this पहले फरवरी आता है। Once again children, shall we recall that? साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? साल में 12 महीने होते हैं। मार्च के पहले किस महीने आता है? मार्च के पहले फरवरी आता है। What is the meaning of the question answers? How many months in a year? That is the question. There are 12 months in a year. It is the answer. Okay. The second question: which is the before month of the March? Which is the before month of the March? Yes, February. February is the before month of the March. Right, children? Are we clear now? Okay, copy this one. Okay, the last Roman letter, what is the 4 Roman letters? Our last Roman letter is very simple and very interesting because of the picture, right? The 4th Roman letter. Can we start here? In which season we use these things? In which seasons we have to use things? Check the correct answer. Okay, shall we do? Yes, the first picture. What is this? You have to like very much this. Yes, ice cream. Ice cream. What is this? Ice cream. Okay. In which season? There are 2 seasons. Basant Ritu and then was and Grishma Ritu. Okay. Listen. Which is the correct children? Is ice cream. Which season we have to use? Basant na, what is that? Basant spring season and Grishma summer season, right? So this is the correct. You have to tick, right? Do it, children. Okay, the next shall we draw? Very simple. We have to find. Already we find. This is umbrella. So, which season we have to use this umbrella? Sheet Ritu. And Varsha Ritu. Okay. So, Sheet Ritu. What is the meaning of the Sheet? Sheet is the winter season, you know. So, Varsha Ritu, rainy season. Okay. We have to use the umbrella in rainy season. Yes. Okay. Clear, children? Copy this one. Okay, that's all, children. Our class work also. So, what we learned in the from this lesson, the names of the the names of the months in Hindi and names of the seasons in Hindi. Right? Are you clear now, children? Okay. We will meet in the next video, children, for new content. Okay. Okay, children. Please copy the finish the class works properly. Cooperate with your parents. Right, children? Very good. Okay. Who are all going to follow my words? You are all very good. Right? Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.